वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं हृदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा क्षरं समाम्नात् दिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ अगर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पार्वती परमेश्वरो। Two clarifications I have to make. One is that I had promised about Purvam Suptaha, page number 128, third point. Two past passive participles indicating two consecutive actions, they also form samasa. And I was not getting the example because I had a doubt whether two actions should be necessarily following each other or happen to be following each other. Then I read and I found that it is not necessary that every time it should be following each other. If something happened like agata, agataha, and then snataha, he came and he took bath. So agata snata also can have samasa. So it's not necessary that every time person comes he has to take bath. So but this time he has come and taken bath, then also I can make samasa. Agata snataha devadattaha vadati. So Devadatta who came and took bath is talking. Or another one which I was trying to give is Pakvam khaditam annam poshayati. The food which is cooked and eaten. So pakvam cha purvam pakvam paschat khaditam. Pakva khaditam. That also can be done. And the standard example they give is in a Vyakarana book that snataha and anuliptaha. First he took bath and then he put some all perfume etc. Anuliptaha. Snataha means he took bath. Anuliptaha means anointed. Means given this all creams etc. is called anuliptaha. So snatanuliptaha devadattaha. Purvam snataha paschad anuliptaha. First he took bath and later on he anointed with all sandalwood, sandal paste and all this. Is called snatanuliptaha. So here also that samasa is possible. Purvam snataha paschad anuliptaha. So snatanuliptaha. So here kartarikta is there. Snatanuliptaha. So means what? Snata means having taken bath. Anuliptaha anointed. Alright. So like that we can do samasa between the two krudantas where the first one indicates the preceding action, the next one indicates succeeding action. Alright. Khaditam jirnam cha. Khadita jirnam annam. Jirnam means digested. Khaditam cha jirnam cha. Purvam khaditam. Paschat jirnam. Khadita jirnam. First eaten, later digested. Food. Khadita jirnam annam shariram poshayati. So like that we can make. So that was the first thing I wanted to clarify. Second thing is about this upama and rupaka. Mukham kamalam iva. So, mukham kamalam iva we had seen in the second one. Upamitam vyaghradibhihi. So, there upamanam and upamitam also can be here. This is upamanam, this is upamita. They can have samasa. So, kamalam is upamana, the object with which comparison is made, upamana. And this is upamita. And both of them have this relationship of simile and object of comparison is indicated by the word iva. So, what is the meaning? Mukham kamalam iva. Face like lotus. Lotus is upamana, this is upamita. And samasa will be what? Mukha kamalam. Okay. This we have seen. Second one is, in this book it is written, the metaphorical karmadharaya also plays upamitam first, while the samanya dharma remains understood, kamalam eva mukham. But that is this, what is given is not in harmony with generally it is explained. So, kamalam eva mukham, it is not correct. Second is mukham eva kamalam. All other book, and this looks more logical. Mukham eva kamalam. Not kamalam eva mukham. Mukham eva kamalam means what? Face itself is the lotus. Means the face is not seen as a face. Mukham is kamalam. Mukham itself is lotus. Face itself is lotus. Then also samasa vigraha will be mukha kamalam. But the difference is the connecting word between upamita and upamana, they are different. Here iva, here eva. All right. Now, I mean, we need not go further into it, but there are some books which analyze that when we can have this mukham iva kamalam or mukha eva kamalam. So, how to know that eva should come or eva should come? Either way you put, it will not be wrong. But general guideline they have given. If the accompanying word is applicable to mukha, sahasyam, then iva should come. Mukha kamalam, the face like lotus is with laughter. Now, the laughter with laughter is possible to be connected with mukha only. The lotus doesn't laugh. So, sahasyam is with laughter. So, with laughter can be applicable to only mukha. So, when the accompanying word can be attributed to upamita, then iva should come. In contrast, when it comes, it will be more clear. Because sahasyam with laughter will be applicable to what? Mukha only. Kamal doesn't laugh. So, when the accompanying word can gel well with upamita or upameya, then it is Upama Alankara. It is called Upama Alankara. So it should be Iva. And if it is, if the accompanying word Samanya Vachana, which is applicable to the lotus, the Upamana, like what? Vikasitam, bloomed. So blooming is not to the face. Face doesn't really, even though we figuratively say, but face doesn't bloom. Only lotus blooms. So when accompanying word is more applicable to the Upamana, then Eva word should be used. Then it is a Rupaka Lankara. This is Rupaka. This is Rupaka, that is Upama. Upama means simile. So here Rupaka, metaphoric. So this is just for our guidance. Yeah. All right. So these are the two clarifications I wanted to make. Now, I think we have seen up to this 193. So 194 is to be seen, no? 194 we have seen ku and not seen. Okay. Two indeclinables ku and a. Really it's not a, it is a na, but a. It is form. It is a from is there, no? It should be FORM, form. Karmadharaya compounds. So there is a printing mistakes. It's not from. Form Karmadharaya compounds with nouns and adjectives. He explains now. Ku means kutsita. Okay, so this is talking about one more variety of samasa. The sutra is Ku Gati Pradayah. I think that I had mentioned. Ku Gati Pradayah. It is 2 to 18. You got it? 2 to 18? Ah, okay. In that samasa, the Ku Gati Pradayah is referring to 3 subdivisions of the Tatpurusha. And that is, one is Ku samasa, where the first word will be ku. Ku has got the meaning bad, not good. Like Kutsita Purusha. Kutsita means not good, bad person. Then out of Kutsita only Ku will remain. And it will form samasa with Ku. Ku Purushaha. So samasa will be Ku Purushaha. And this is the Nitya samasa. Why? Because you cannot do the Vigraha. Kuhu Purusha Vigraha you cannot do. Therefore this is a Nitya samasa. So that is what is said here. Two indeclinables such as Ku and A literally means na, nai, nanj. Form Karmadhare compounds with nouns and adjectives. Here it is noun. Ku means kutsita, bad. Okay. And so we form the samasa Ku Purusha. Now regarding Ku Purusha, regarding Ku samasa, some rules are given. It becomes kat before a vowel and before the word ratha. So there is a sutra called Koho Kat Tat Purushe Chi 6.3, I think 6.3.10, no 6.3.101. Koho Kat Tat Purushe Achi. 101 or 101, no? Okay. So that samasa says Koho. Koho is a Shashti Vibhakti of Ku. In place of Ku, Kat will come in Tatpurusha, Achi. If the word is beginning with vowel, like what? Kutsitaha Ashvaha. So here in place of Kutsita, Kat will come. Instead of Ku, it will be Kat, Kad, and Ashvaha. So final samasa will be Kadashvaha. Kadashva means wicked horse. Okay. Why it become Ku becomes Kad? Because this word is beginning with vowel. Okay. Another word will be Ku plus Ishu. Ishu means arrow. So Kadishu. Kad, Ku will become Kad, Kadishu. Why it is Ku become Kad? Because beginning with vowel. See. Kutsita Ishuhu. Then Ku Ishuhu. Kat Ishuhu. Then Kad Kadishuhu. Ta will become Da. Kadishuhu. Kadishu means not good, bad arrow. Okay. So anything. All right. Huh? Okay. Then before Ratha also it become. Ratha also it will become Kad. So Kadrathaha. Final word will be Kadrathaha. Kadratha means what? Bad chariot. All right. Also before Pathin. So it will be keeping Kutsita Panthaha and Ka, sorry. And Ka before Pathin. Pathin means a path. Ku becomes Ka when it is preceded, when it is followed by Pathid Shabda. So Kutsita Panthaha. Pantha is a Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan of Pathin Shabda. Panthaha, Panthano, Panthanaha. So Kutsita will be turned to Ku. Panthaha. Then Ku will change to Ka. Ka Panthaha. Ka Pantha. Oh, then it Pantha becomes Patham. We have seen earlier. Earlier the rule is given. So Ka Patham. If you remember that earlier that word, we have seen so many rules where it is said that Panthaha becomes Patham. Earlier we had seen that in the, okay. Panthaha, Sakhi. I think this word we had seen this somewhere. General rule may be given. Sama Rucha Puru. See, Ruchpur Pathin stand at the end of a samasa, page number 119. Patha. And become Ruchpur, Appadur, add Patha. Okay, page number 119, 181. Okay. Then, next one is Ishat. Achha. For Pantha, there is some sutra. I have to just find out which sutra is applied. But next one is, there is a sutra, Ishadarthe. There is a sutra. Oh, sorry. Ka, in fact, the sutra is that Ka Prutva Pakshayoho. Is there no? Which sound? What is the sutra? हाँ पक्षयोः ना हाँ का पृत्पक्षयोः ना what is the sutra पथ्यक्षयोः हाँ या पथि हाँ पथ्यक्षयोः 10 हाँ 104 okay okay then 63104 then one sutra is that Ishadarthe. Ishadarthe means in the sense of little. There is a sutra Ishadarthe. Same place is next one, no? 108. 105. Okay. Ishadarthe. So when this word ku is used in the sense of little, then it will become ka. So here Ishad Jalam. So Ishat will be represented by ku. Ku Jalam. And ku will be converted into ka by this sutra, Ishadarthe. So it will be ka jalam. Ka jalam means little water. But we cannot use for everything. Only when we want to convey the sense of little. We can say ka buddhi also sometimes. Buddhi is little than ka buddhi. All right. Then, okay. So with this, first point is over. Second one is talking about the Nanch Tat Purusha. This also we have studied Nanch Tat Purusha. The sutra is very simple sutra, small one, 9. That is 2 to 61. This sutra says the 9 is samarthena samasyante, is combined with any subanta which is compatible. Like what? Na brahmanaha, abrahmanaha. So, nai is connected with this. So, really speaking, samasa will be like this, na brahmana. But afterwards, one more sutra is applied. Nalopo nayaha. 6372. 6372, no? Nalopo nayaha in your book. 71. 73. So, nalopo nayaha. This sutra says there will be nakara lopa. So, nalopo nayaha. And therefore, na brahmana, nakara and a are there. So, nakara will be dropped. Therefore, we will have abrahmana. So, how samasa process will be? Na brahmana, na brahmanaha. Na brahmana will be na brahmanaha first. From this to this. And na brahmana, nakara and a are there. Nakara lopa by this sutra. Therefore, finally, abrahmana. Vidya, na vidya, avidya. So, like that, a is a negative particle. This is a Antoine method. Really, a is not a negative particle. Na is a negative particle. And it is combined with the samartha. It becomes an before a vowel. Like atma. Let us see. Na atma. Should be what? Samasa vigraha, natma. And then nalopo nayaha. So nakara is dropped, a plus atma. Then now this sutra, one more sutra is that tasman nudachi 6373 or 74? 74. There is a sutra tasman nudachi 6374. It says that there will be tasma nud, nakara will be added, nud. So, a, na is added, atma. Therefore, will be, finally will get anatma. anatma. Ishaha. What will be Nanch Tatpurusha Samasa? Anishaha. What is the meaning of Anishaha? Huh? Not? Ah. Any other meaning possible? Not a ruler is correct. Which Samasa it would be? Nanch Tatpurusha. Ah, it's a Karmadhara. Ah, Nai Tatpurusha. Tatpurusha only. We will not Karma. Nai Tatpurusha. Okay. Any other possibility? Means what? Correct. Ah. So, Anisha means? It means what? Correct. Unruly. Unruly. Ah. Means he is the absolute ruler. So, just interesting, therefore I am sharing. Not required so much for the grammar, but Anisha has got both the meaning. Na Ishaha means he is not the ruler. Anishaha means he is not the ruler. Anishaya shochati muhyamanaha. So, Anisha. Then, Na Isha means not ruler, is a Tatpurusha. But there is another one. Na vidyate Ishaha yasya. This is called Nanch Bavurhi. So, it will be Na vidyate Ishaha. That also is Anisha. All right. So, this is Nanch Tatpurusha Samasa. So, here what is said here, that in Nanch Tatpurusha, Nakara will be dropped. And one more rule is that if a second member is beginning with vowel, then again Na will be added afterwards. See here, first we drop this Nakara. Then after we brought Nakara, but the change, position is changed. What went away was first and what is coming is later. Okay? So, it is not otherwise, what is the use? You take out and again bring. So, it is not that. So, when he went away, Nakara, it was in the beginning, then afterwards it comes. Taspa nudachi. Okay. Now, na raja, okay, except, okay. Na krutam akrutam. Na khaditam akhaditam. Na viditam aviditam. Okay. Na attam will be what? Eh? Anattam. Okay. Na krutam akrutam. Na adaraha anadaraha. Disregard. Okay. He notes, he puts, in Tatpurusha form with the modification indicated in 180, 187 do not take place except for Pathin. Okay. Which follows them optionally. So, na raja, araja, na panthaha, apanthaha, or apatham. Both are fine. Okay. Now, we will go to the exercise. Okay. Nicholas, read the first shloka. The second exercise is there, no? Lobha mohata? You should not read like this. Kimayusha. Okay. Please read the shloka Tanaya again. In that book, you have a printing mistake, no? Dosha is there, no? So, you have to make dosha. You have to make dosa. Okay. It should be, correct one is this one. Dosha. Not this. It is not. Okay. Please read. Acha, in this, which words are samasa? Then?
Then Kama Krodha Hata, Lobha Moha Hata.
Okay. Okay, first one, what is the Vigraha?
Dosha Darpa Hata, two Samasa.
Hmm. Hmm.
One is Itaretara.
Hmm.
Doshascha Darpascha, Dosha Darpo. Next one is Tritiya Tattva.
Hmm. So what will be the Vigraha?
Doshascha Darpascha, Dosha Darpo, Tabhyam Hata.
If you use the same word, how will you use?
Dosha Darpabhyam Hata.
Correct. Dosha Darpabhyam Hata. There is one board where this chalk stick is used, but it's a dustless chalk stick. Is there? Downside it was there. Huh? Karan, it was there some in the Sanskrit class. Our Ramchandran ji used to use. Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. Huh? In this? Oh, okay, okay. Because see, now the background is so much. No, I don't know whether you are able to see. Are you able to read what is there? What I am writing now? Are you able to read what I am writing now? Are you able to read? Huh? Are you, Shriparna, you are able to read? Where is blue? Blue is not there. We can get, Arun, we can ask. Huh? We will get more. Okay, give. Okay, so it will be doshascha. Are you able to see better now? Or same? Huh? Almost same, yeah. Doshascha, okay. Darpascha now. Huh? Doshascha, darpascha, dosha darpo. Pen will be over very fast if I write like this. Dosha darpo. Dosha darpabhyam. We can say tabhyam also. Or dosha darpabhyam hata. Okay. So first one will be dvandva samasa, itaretara dvandva. Second one will be tritiya tatpurusha. So dosha darpabhyam hata. What is the meaning? Destroyed by the dosha, some defects, and darpa, arrogance. It's an adjective for vidya, knowledge which is overwhelmed, affected, destroyed by various defects, kama krodhadaya, and arrogance. So that is called dosha darpa hata vidya. Next one. Huh? Kama krodhabhyam hatam. Hata, hata. Acha. So now it is the same. Kama krodhash, kamasya krodhasya, kama krodho, kama krodhabhyam hata, kama krodha hata. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Destroy? Huh? Intellect. Mati, intellect is? Okay. Yeah, intellect is overwhelmed. Almost destroyed, overwhelmed, affected by the kama and krodha. Okay. Next one. Hata means what? Okay. Yes. Here, next one. Okay, vrittihi means what? Yes, Keko, Vritti. Here it has got the meaning of livelihood. Yeah, Vritti or conduct also. Conduct. Conduct is affected by the lobha and moha. Conduct, livelihood, both are the meaning. Yesham tesham kimayusha. What is the meaning, Maledi?
For those people whose intellect is destroyed and everything, for them, what, how there's life for them?
Little bit close by, हाँ. आपने कुछ लिखा? हाँ. What is the use of life? Okay. Kim ayusha. Yesham, the people for whom we have to. Acha. What is the anvaya here? I will give the anvaya. Yesham vidya dosha darpa hata bhavati. Matihi kama krodha hata bhavati. Vrittihi lobha moha hata bhavati. Tesham ayusha kim. Tesham ayusha kim means what is the use of life? Okay. So what is the final translation?
So one who says knowledge or learning is marred or consumed by hatred and arrogance. Intellect is marred by desires and anger.
Intellect is what? Marked?
Marred, marred,
Marred.
marred
Okay. Haan.
by hatred and arrogance. Conduct is consumed by greed and delusion or attachment. For such a person, what is the use of life?
So vritti can be taken as livelihood also. Profession. Okay. All right. So I hope the meaning is clear. I will read again. Tesham, for them, for the people, for those whose, Tesham means for those whose knowledge is affected by defects and arrogance, intellect is affected by desire and anger, and conduct or livelihood is affected by greed and delusion. What is the use of life for them? Okay. Now, next one is Shwet, expound the following samasa. Okay, Karan. First one. Means what? White horse. Acha, which samasa it is? Karmadhara samasa. Shvetasya aso ashvasya shvetashvaha karmadhara samasa, where visheshana is a purvapadam. All right. What is the sutra? Visheshanam visheshena bahulam. Okay. Anybody else here? Anybody here? Next one is, what is the next one? Here, anybody? Not done? Okay. Anybody? Otherwise, yeah, okay. 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 Mahati cha, nadi cha. Here, what is the rule applied? Yeah. Mahat Shabda becomes Maha. Okay. An Maha, what is An Mahan Samanadi Karanayo? That no, An Mahat Samanadi Karanayo. That sutra I referred or not? Yes, okay. All right. So, Mahati Chanadi. Acha, this Samasa Vigraha can be Mahati Cha Nadi Cha or Mahati Cha Asau Nadi Cha. That is generally better, more conventional. Mahati Cha Asau Nadi Cha. But what you did also is okay. Next one, Nikhilesh. Mahan cha asau mantri cha means what? Great minister. Mahan च असौ मंत्री च महामंत्री. Okay. Then next one, Tanaya. Ah, means what? Ah, black like cloud. Yes, okay. Meghashyama. So which samasa is used here? Ah, what is the sutra? Upamanani samanya vachanehi. Is it clear? Upamana samanya vachanehi. Because Shyama is a samanya vachanam. Upamana is the Megha. So Upamana samanya vachanehi. Okay. Next, Arun. Na Kamal. Charane it is. Either you can say Kamale iva charane, Kamale iva charane, or Charane Kamale iva. Hmm? So which samasa it is? Huh? Upameya, it's okay. Upamita Purva or Upameya Purva. Both are same, okay. Charana Kamale, Karma Dharaya. Next one. Or Shokaha Udadihi also okay. Means what? Ocean like sorrow. Which samasa it is? Upamana Purva. In fact, Karmadharya also is enough. Karmadharya samasa. Okay. Then next one. Panchagavam. Panchanam Gavanam. Panchanam Gavanam. Which samasa? Dvigu samasa. So it is a Dvigu samasa. Panchanam Gavanam Samaharaha Panchagavaha. Next. Dvigu samasa. Next one. Kupurusha. Okay, you did. Malini. Kupurusha. Correct. What is the name of this samasa? Karmadharya, but not Karmadharya. No, which samasa name? Current. What is the name of this samasa? Kupurusha. Ku samasa. Simple. It is a ku samasa. I think you were about to tell. Okay. I thought you were telling something, but you were not confident. Okay. It is ku samasa. Just now we studied, no? Okay. Then abhiprasadaha. Anything? Panchanam? So what? Oh, Gavam. Sorry. Panchanam Gavam. Yes, not Gavanam. Correct. Sorry, I will write. I will correct. Panchanam Gavanam Samaharaya. Gavam, sorry, Gavam. See, this is called Adat se Majboor. Habit, in my mind, it is wrongly set. Panchanam Gavam. I am writing so that I will hopefully. Panchanam Gavam. Gavam. Samaharaha. Panchagavaha. Correct. All right, next. Shokasya udadi. No. Shoka eva udadihi, no? Because it is a metaphor. Udadi is a meta. You can say you have two options. You can say Shokaha eva udadihi shokodadi. That is possible. Or Shokaha udadihi iva. Both are possible. But Shokasya udadi is not. I saw somebody, somewhere it is done like that. But Shoka iva udadihi. That is correct. Okay. But in Sanskrit, if somebody has that type of vivaksha and he does, we cannot say no. But generally, Shokodadi will be understood as this. All right. Next. Abhiprasadaha. Who was there? Next, you did. Now, who did lastly? Okay. Arun? Abhigataha prasa. What you done? Nikhilesh? Abhigataha prasadam. What is the meaning?
Palace towards which somebody has gone facing the palace.
Facing the palace. Facing the palace. Yeah. All right. Next. Let us complete this today. Then Nirnagaraha. Sai Krishna. Nirnagaraha is there or Nagara is there? In your book? What did you write? What did you consider? Okay, let us see Nirnagaraha. You have written? What? No, you please read from your book, notebook. What you have written? Please, I am asking you to read what you have written. Correct. Nishkranta or Nirgata. It's okay. Nishkrantaha means what?
Gone out of the Nagara.
Departed. Okay. Let us consider Nirnagaraha word. Nishkrantaha or Nirgataha. Nagarat means departed from the city. What will be the substantive for this? Janaha. That's all. Nirnagaraha Janaha. The people who have departed from the city. All right. So next time we will do the sentences. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.